Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just gave this machine a tune-up, deep cleaning the hopper, deep cleaning the spouts, and also deep cleaning the brew unit that is located on the other side of the machine. So now we're going to be testing out this machine, doing a cappuccino. That way we're going to be testing the spouts, the steamer, and also the hot water. So starting with hot water, we're going to be testing it out. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. And now we're doing a cappuccino. We do not have the hose that is connected to this machine, so we'll not be able to siphon any milk, but we'll still be able to see steam coming out through this spout. Nice steaming coming out of the spout. We're going to stop it here as we do not have the hose that attaches to it to siphon the milk. Nice shot of espresso, excellent flow coming out of the machine. Really great color. And excellent quantity for a cappuccino. So there you have it, Saeco espresso machine working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.